Hey guys, everybody online. Hey, we're doing a countertop clean and polish in Troy, Illinois. We're here now. You can see that the client just said that it's not as shiny as it used to be, and it kind of dull in spots. You guys can see, which is just common wear and tear. They're not in bad shape, but just needs a maintenance, clean and polish. To kind of pop the natural stone. This is a granite countertop. You see little marks here and there, kind of just dullish here and there. And we're gonna make it all uniform, get all the contamination off, and we're gonna clean and polish it, get it back to the way it needs to be. And had a little bit of marks here, but we're gonna seal that, so there's no problem there. But this is common. If you guys have this kind of tile, this kind of granite countertop, give us a call. Got you covered. Got this area here as well. And then we also have a countertop in the bathroom that we're going to entertain doing after this as well. But you can just feel how it's just kind of, contamination, gritty. It's not smooth. And again, this is a maintenance service, kind of dull in different spots. We're going to make it all uniform. So again, if you need a service, reach out to us, AOCleaning.com, 618-593-8102. AO, let's go. All right, guys, we are now prepping the countertops to get rid of any contamination and things that hinder the reflection and water deposits, minerals, things of that nature. And then once we get that lifted and suspended, then we will go ahead and neutralize it with our Crystal Clean. And then we will start adding the polish and the color. And then we'll get that polished up. And then we'll add the finishing touch. And all is well. Stay tuned. All right, guys, a little example. Look how pretty that is. That is clean and polished. Now we're gonna seal it and then, polish it up again for good measure after we seal it. Look how pretty that is, guys. Wow. Beautiful. All right, guys, look at this is before. You see how it's kind of dullish? That's after. Look at that. Wow. So again, look at this before. Did half of it, look at after. Nice. All right, guys, a little sneak peek. The client loves it. Just look how pretty that is. Gorgeous. Wow. Look at that, guys. Clean and polished. Look at that. Beautiful. Hey guys, I'm with my client Gary. We're in Troy, Illinois. As you can just see how beautiful these countertops look. Now we did do a clean and polish on all the countertops in the island. And he's very satisfied and pleased. And he wants to speak to his overall experience with our service. Without further ado, Gary, take it away.
Yeah, they did a great job. Very efficient. Looks great. Very proud of it. I have peace of mind for a few years now.
Awesome, awesome. Well, thanks so much, Gary. Appreciate your business and the opportunity to serve you. And enjoy your beautiful countertops.